In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check line dimension in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed a quick, reliable way to confirm how long a line is, I'll walk you through two simple approaches. We'll keep it clear and practical so you can use them right away on any drawing. First, let's use the Properties palette. Click to select the line you want to measure so it highlights. With the line selected, type prop on your keyboard and press Enter. That opens the Properties palette, which shows detailed information about whatever you have selected. Look for the Geometry section inside this palette. You'll see a field labeled Length, and that number is the exact length of your line based on your drawing's current units. If you select a different line, the palette updates automatically, so you can leave it open and quickly click through multiple lines to compare their lengths. If the palette is covering your work area, you can drag it, dock it to the side, or collapse it so it's out of the way. When you're done, you can close it or simply keep it there for future checks. This method is great because it's precise and always available as long as the object is selected. Now, for another quick way. Type measure and press Enter. With that command active, hover your mouse over the line. You don't need to click, just move your cursor along the line, and you'll see the measurement appear as a clear on-screen readout. This is perfect when you want a fast visual confirmation without opening any panels. If the number doesn't appear right away, try zooming in a bit or hovering right over the line itself so AutoCAD can pick it up. Move your mouse slowly along the line to see the readout stabilize. This approach is especially handy if you want to glance at several lines in a row, since you can just slide your cursor from one to the next and read them off. When you're finished, press Escape to exit the command and continue with your drawing. And there you go. Whether you prefer the always accurate Properties palette or the quick hover readout with the Measure command, you now have two straightforward ways to check a line's length anytime you need. Use the method that fits your workflow in the moment, and remember that your results reflect the units set in your drawing. That's all.